Hi guys, welcome back for another door panel removal. Today we have a Q5 for 2017. This is the rear door panel. The front door panel is similar to this one. First thing first, take this cover out. You'll have here on the bottom a place to put your flathead screwdriver. I don't advise you to do that, just use a plastic removal tool. What I find really hard on this one is this piece of trim. You need to take out. It have built-in clips. There are, I think, 7 clips that are holding in place this trim. You need to start from this side because here it slides under the door panel, and you cannot put your plastic removal tool under to pop it out, to pop up the clips. But I saw that you'll have up there a space to put something. Maybe you can put a... My plastic removal tool is too big, but maybe you can put something. I have something like a hook, and I will put under, and I will pop up one clip. After I've made that, I'll have space with my plastic removal tool underneath. There it goes. But I find it very difficult to remove this, and you can see it's aluminium and you can bend it. After you pop up all the clips, you need to slide it to the right in order to take it out. You can see that it goes under the door panel. I will show you all the screws. There are T25 Torx. You'll have 2 under the trim. 1, 2, and another 2 under this cover. After you take out the screws, the clips are not a problem. You simply need to put a plastic removal tool everywhere you want and try to pry this up. After that, put your hands behind, and simple as that. You need to slide it upward. First, take this cable out, just pull it and take this out to have more space. You'll have a push and pull for the speaker, for the tweeter. You'll have here a red tab. You need to pull this red tab, and after that underneath you need to push and pull. Here is your door panel, and this is it, guys. This is how you take your door panel out on your Q5 from 2017. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.